They're taking pictures.
I'm actually taking video for YouTube. So this is our Simply Lavish
Do we have something for this?
Thanksgiving.
Sir?
I thought I left something out for that.
This is really cute.
So here we much have two meals in one. So we have like the traditional Thanksgiving stuff. And I don't know if you can even hear me with all the activity in the background, but we also have Jamaican food. So we have curry goat, rice and peas, and because oxtail is life, we have oxtail. So hopefully you all are enjoying.
Oh, cackle. You okay? Huh?
There was almost tragedy.
What happened?
He tripped.
That reminds me of somebody being bent over behind you and you turn and walk around. Did you get that on film?
No, I did not get that on film, folks. There was a tragedy over here. And then say hi to my nieces. Say hi. Hi. Now move. Sit on my table. And you'll see the cornucopia from my last video here on the dining room table. And then there's my sister. Say hello. Mommy. My other sisters. Everybody wave. Daddy wave.
Be thankful.
And there's brother-in-law taking more pictures. So I'm not going to be on long because I'm ready to eat. So hopefully you're ready to eat. And because we've been waiting for somebody to get here for a long time. So we're about to dig in. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
It's made of